Come on, Grandad.
I'm Holly Tandy, I'm 15 and I'm from Barnsley. I live at home with my mum and dad. They are psychiatric nurses, so no singing in that area of my family. However, my granddad is a singer and he, back in his youth, was in a band. He just loves music like me, so that's where I get it from.
You're the #1 fan though, aren't you, Dad?
I am.
When I was younger, I always remember watching X Factor with my family and being like, that's going to be me one day. Like, when am I old enough to do that? Like, I need to audition.
Go on, darling. Love you.
Good luck.
Go on, Holly.
The dream for me is to make my granddad proud, and my whole family, in fact, so I love them to bits.
Hi. Hi. So excited to be here.
Oh, welcome. What's your name?
I'm Holly.
Holly.
Yeah, I'm such a big fan of you, but yeah, I can't even speak. I'm that much of a big fan.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. How old are you?
I'm 15.
What?
Yeah, I've just left school.
Wow, you're a baby. Gorgeous. And what are you doing now?
I'm doing like pubs and clubs on a weekend, but I don't want to be singing to 10 people in a working men's club. I want to
my
be on stage.
I was going to ask, what's the smallest audience you performed in front of?
No one. Everybody left.
Well, you're honest. Because, you know, Nicole's been through that.
Yeah.
You know, literally has started to sing and people have run out the room, but...
I have learned so much from that.
but boy, it's toughened her up. OK, what are you going to sing?
If I Ain't Got You by
Cool.
Alicia Keys.
Good. Good luck.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before, but that life's too bold, so full of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you.
Can I tell you something? Holly Tandy, you define determination. Somebody who went into a club, people walked out, and you've come back fighting, and you're 15 years old.
Thank you.
Took the direction from Nicole well. This was a good audition, Holly. I'm very impressed, so thank
Thank you very much. That means a lot to me.
And Holly, you've got a great attitude. You came in and you wanted to win us over, you know, and you've got a great image.
Thank you.
You're only 15, so you've got to develop your style. Forget the hand singing, because all the girls do that.
Sharon's right, and we do pick up on this. If you go on YouTube and you watch how Americans sing, then you copy, and then you're no longer British.
Yeah, I get that, yeah.
What do you think, Nick?
I love you. Like, you were staring at us in our eyeballs, and that takes a lot of courage.
Yeah.
I think there's so much potential here.
Thank you so much.
I dig you.
Right, should we vote? Louis?
I like you, Holly. I'm going to say yes.
Thank you.
Sharon?
It's a yes from me.
Holly, I'm going to say yes.
Thank you so much.
You've got 3 yeses. You're only 15, and I still think there's so much more room for you to grow.
Yeah.
And I would hate for it to be too early for you.
Okay.
But I don't think it is, so you have 4 yeses.
Thank you very much.
Take care, kiddo.
Bye.
Oh, darling.
Oh, heck, don't you do your good crying face.
Well done, guys. Good. I like her.
I've always thought and daydreamed about this moment when I've been sat in my physics lessons. Sorry, Mr. Milburn.
You're amazing.
Proud of you.
4 yeses.
4 yeses.
Celebrate now.